Alright, welcome back. My name is Omar, and this is the SMR and stretching series for the combative athlete. So today what we're going to focus on is the T-spine. The T-spine is the middle of the back. The first 7 vertebrae is your cervical spine. The middle 12 is going to be your thoracic spine. The reason why we're focusing on it is for the combative athlete, when we are in our defensive posture, you can see that my shoulders are rounded forward to keep my body small, to protect my body. So with that posture, in a long period of time, my shoulders start to round and the T-spine becomes very irritating. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on either the hard shell or the soft shell. You can always take 2 lacrosse balls and tape them together, which is called a peanut, and you'll get this. This little divot in the middle is where we put our spine. You're gonna place the ball right where the logo of my shirt is, right in the middle of the back. So I'm just gonna apply pressure by putting my weight on top of the ball. I can cross my arms first, lift my hips up, and I'm gonna roll up and down the middle of my back. I'm gonna find that my back tends to crack when I do this. That's totally fine. You can alleviate the tension or the pressure by keeping your hips down. You don't necessarily have to keep your hips up, but again, if you want more intensity, you can always lift the hips up. Another variation is by lifting my arms up. As I lift my arms up, I apply pressure and add pressure to my liking. Now, remember, we want to make sure that we breathe and don't hold your breath. And that concludes today's short video of rolling the T-spine.